Hi, this is Katerina Kasimati from the Agricultural University of Athens and the project manager of the Icarus project. In the context of the project, we are developing an open and free online course that everyone can follow, which is about developing business ideas in the use of drones.
And hi everyone, I'm Giacomo Carli and I'm a senior lecturer in strategy at the Open University. Why should you attend this course? This course is about the drone industry, so you will develop knowledge about this nascent industry, but you also will learn about business models and the theories around business models. Then you will have the opportunity to apply this knowledge, developing your business model idea from its genesis to a final business model canvas and evaluating also its sustainability aspects. Then we will consider the economic and social impacts of this idea. And finally, you will have the opportunity to communicate and improve the ability to communicate your idea to a vast audience.
If you enjoyed this clip, feel free to follow the links on screen for more interesting articles and free courses from the Open University.